Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So while traveling, मेरी आदत होती है to try out the local dishes to know more about the culture. So I have 4 unique dishes you must try on your next trip to Himachal. First, the ice cream made locally in Himachal, which would beat any branded ice cream. It was so uniquely conserved and stored too. Even in summers, it doesn't melt. And it was so tasty and so delicious that it is a must have in Himachal. The best part is how it's served in a leaf and eaten by a leaf, which is so unique in itself. Second is the Gucci mushrooms or the moral mushrooms, which is the gold of Himachal. And they get it from the forest and make it into pickles or sabzi, which is extremely delicious. Third. Third is, of course, the famous Siddu, which is a steamed bread with tasty fillings and a unique chutney made with opium seeds, which was all homemade and is so addictively tasty. Fourth. Fourth is the unique Teemo Bread, which is a steamed bread dough made in a unique style. It is so healthy and delicious when we had it with any kind of dal or sabzi on the side with some chutney. The unique way of cutting the dough and twisting and turning it, as you can see, is the most different kind of bread that I had had. So it was so tasty as well with a different kind of shape. So guys, let me know what you think about these 4 unique dishes that I've tried in Himachal. So I hope आप अपने next trip पे ये ज़रूर try करोगे और comments में बताइएगा और क्या क्या try किया जाए.